Morning everyone. My name is Hers and I am a student of Alpha Public School, and today I am going to represent a new topic, that is the plant tissues. Plant tissues. Plant tissues are categorized in two parts, that is the meristematic tissues and permanent tissues. Meristematic tissues are also categorized in three parts, that is the apical meristematic, intercalary meristematics and lateral meristematics. Apical meristematics in help increase the length of the plant, and that are found in this region. Here we can see that the small tiny pores are present, that are apical meristematics regions, and after that intercalary meristematics are found in the near the node region. Here we can see node region, near the node region, that's one node, that's one, here node region. And after that lateral meristematics are found the here lateral region are found the widths of the plants, means it's helps increase the wideness of the plants. And so we understand our meristematic tissues after permanent tissues. Permanent tissues are two types, and they are in this way. First one is a simple permanent. Simple permanent are those tissues which are made up of only one type of cells and perform a specific function. And complex permanent tissues. Complex permanent tissues are those tissues which are made up of different cells but perform a specific function. So, simple permanents. Simple permanents are also categorized in three parts. First one is parenchyma, second one is collenchyma, and third one is sclerenchyma. These have functions and cells are different. First one is parenchyma. Parenchyma are living cells which helps in a various way, like storage of foods, exchangeation of gas, and storage also store the waste product of plant like resins, gum, and etc. After collenchyma are that type of tissues that are living and elongated with each other. After each, we have also see the corner of a collenchyma found the extra deposition of cellulose. So these are a significance to find the collenchyma tissues. And collenchyma also help in a various way. There are two various ways. First one is a collenchyma provides a strength to the plants. Strength to the plant means the function of a collenchyma. Collenchyma provides the mechanical strength to the plant. So we understand what is mechanical strength. When the cyclone and thunders are coming, so plants are moved here and there, like he are dispersed from his place, but they are very tightly packed, means the collenchyma provide plants to mechanical strength. So second one is some of the collenchyma have contained the chlorophyll, which helps to plants in synthesize the food materials, means here leaves and leaves are also here leaves, and it is also called kitchen of the cell. Here all the chlorophyll, we can see that all the chlorophylls are present in a form of a green pigment. After this type of activity perform the collenchyma. After sclerenchyma. Sclerenchyma are dead cells, means if he had sclerenchyma, if he dead, then he provide external protection, means they are found in the husk of coconut, husk of peanuts, and etc. So, sclerenchyma are two types. First one is fibrous, and second one is scleroids. They also perform as a protection of external injuries and protect the external injuries, and etc. So, our last topic is a complex permanent tissues, and they are two types. First one is xylem, and second one is phloem. Xylem are those type of tissues which helps to conduction of water and minerals to soil to aerial part of the plant. And those are four types. First one is xylem trachea, which helps to mechanical support, and second one is xylem vessels, which helps to conduct the water and minerals to the plant. And uh, after that, xylem parenchyma, we understand parenchyma. So parenchyma are those tissues which store the materials. So in xylem, the storage work is parenchyma. Xylem parenchyma store the water and minerals. After xylem fiber, we understand the sclerenchyma has two types. First one is xylem fiber, and second one is xylem sclera. So xylem fiber helps to protection, external protection to the plant. After phloem are that type of tissues which helps to conduction or transportation of synthesis food materials to aerial part to whole part of the plant. Means I can say that here food are made.
Well,
Here chlorophyll present in the leaves. So how the foods are transported from here to here, all part of the plants and plants growth and etc things. So this is only because the phloem tissues, and these are also four types. First one is a first one is a sieve tube. Sieve tubes helps to the the food materials from aerial part of the plants to different part of the plant transportation. After that, companion tubes are supports. We can say this companion tube are supports of the sieve tube. After parenchyma are used to store the food materials of the plant. After phloem fiber are protect gives external protection of the plant. Thank you very much.